If you have granite, marble, travertine, or another type of natural stone in your home, you're definitely going to want to check out this cleaner. This is the Granite Gold Daily Cleaner, and it's made specifically for surfaces like granite, marble, limestone, slate, and other natural stone. And this way, you're not using a regular household cleaner that may not be meant for those materials. And the directions are super simple. Simply spray it and wipe it. There's no mixing, rinsing, or extra steps involved. So I'm going to spray it across my countertop here. This spray does a nice job cleaning up the everyday spills, debris, and marks that naturally collect on kitchen counters. You can use regular paper towels to wipe the cleaner like I'm doing here. However, you can also use a soft cleaning towel or a microfiber cloth instead of paper towels. Either one works, so it really just depends on what you already have nearby. This spray has a light citrus scent and it's definitely not overpowering. One thing I really like about this formula is that it's pH balanced and it's safe to use on food preparation surfaces, which is obviously super important, especially when I'm cleaning kitchen countertops. It also doesn't contain phosphates or ammonia, which is another positive. Overall, this is just a really simple daily cleaner to keep on hand if you have granite, quartz, or other natural stone surfaces in your house that you want to keep clean on a daily basis.